Okay, that's a 27 millimeter to take that off. Okay, and there's a little clip that goes on this here, because it's actually and these replace the other ones. These could be used multiple times and readjusted. They're from early Mercedes. As you can see, these are deformed in order to get them to lock in place. So okay. Get it tight enough so that this doesn't move. There's no end play. Okay, I'm putting thread locker on the threads for that. And I'm using a T40. To screw it in. Okay. That little seat clip goes around the piece for the speedometer. There's a slot there, and you slide it in.